Hi, my name's John Bosworth. I'm a licensed mental health counselor in St. Petersburg, Florida. I'd like to talk about testing for adult attention deficit disorder. When we test for attention deficit disorder in adults or in children, we want to get a comprehensive evaluation or assessment of behaviors that mimic problems with attention. And that could be lack of ability to complete a task. It could be lack of ability in following directions or completing certain tasks. It also could be, a lot of people forget the impulsivity problem. Some people with attention deficit disorders have very much control problems with impulse. They will interrupt people in conversations. They will not wait their turn in line. And with adults, it might not be seen as blatantly as it is with kids on a playground, but you will start to notice some of the behaviors, especially if they are pointed out. So assessment, you want in a complete assessment, you want to make sure that you get a history of the impulsive or the attention deficit behavior, and you also want to make sure that other mental health problems or adjustment problems or even medical problems are ruled out. And again, ruling out hormonal imbalances or nutritional deficits that might contribute to attention deficit problems, we want to address that first before we actually go on to make an official diagnosis of attention deficit disorder. And there are two tests that can actually help psychometrically evaluating attention deficit disorder, and they are the Bender Gestalt, which is a neurobehavioral, neuropsychological test or evaluation procedure that allows the practitioner to observe and to get some scores, some evaluative and some objective scores on some of the behaviors associated with attention deficit. And then there's rating scales where we can actually have people that are living with the person, maybe a spouse or a brother or a sister, and then maybe a boss, actually compare checklists of behaviors to see if those behaviors are indeed indicative of attention deficit disorder. My name's John Bosworth, and we are looking at ways of testing for adult attention deficit disorder.